cool down chill that. So I'm very competitive when I'm in any kind of a spirit. Karitoli ne nga pe competitive pe ani. I'm sorry about that. Kasi you're kaya mar game rala no. Game is yeah, I know how we game re ine. Kadu ine ra kala game chumpu la me chinju la me. If you want to win, you make sure that you are gonna win. Kadu in sembara kaya mare lose no. You have to win. You have to win. But if you don't win, that's okay. But Tango spirit lady I want to win. I can do it. I want to win. Me how much to I want to win in life, in whatever games in it, life in it. Kazumo has in young in it. I know I'm going to come out of it. I know, yes, in the mail. This spirit hero, I think everyone will go a long way. If not, shoes, at least Kima the mother. Kima the gender to head with the leader. So, Kisi, Tinsi Dora, Sirin Dora ratio. You suppose I hurt your sentiments? Shira. Oh, fuck, man, it's raining. No ambition. So, near come to the Belugu team, Belugu Poo has Ming do the Ming cancel the lab run Kunzula Yaba Tiri Tergo, Chipanamara Mulana. Then you know Lana did A for ball. Why are you like personal attack catching Tigu Lana Laburusta? I don't want a person attacking a patches to Ranu Mandal, Ranu Mandanga do there. Ranu Mandanga singing, give me a jaw, Ranu Mandanga do there. Of course not. In fact, Ranu Mandal is much more prettier than me. And Ranu Mandal is much more talented than me. So I feel obliged, Ranu Mandal compared to because she's a, Mokhani, So, I feel privileged. So, just because someone says that, Chamba Kariyo, Shikaya, kya hai, aap logon ko, mere ko batao. ये लाइफ ना अधूरा हो गया अगर मैं गाना नहीं बजाएगा तो मेरा लाइफ बहुत अधूरा हो जाता है